We're at Alton Towers and we've got Wickerman to ourselves. Oh, we're doing something very special today, aren't we?
Very special.
It all involves Big Bob and his mighty flames.
Yes, and it's all for our group.
Woo!
So it's a Saturday, it's 20 to 7 and we've got Wickerman from 7 till 8 to ourselves.
To ourselves, our whole group here. There's plenty of us. It's going to be fantastic. And you know what? It's my birthday.
Yes, it is. And it's Liv, so happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday to me and Liv and Bob for why not? Let's go for it. Round one.
Yeah.
Shall we go for?
Come on then.
Let's go. Oh, you having hugs with everyone?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
Theme park family.
Yeah, it's ace, isn't it? Yeah. We love this group, don't we? And Big Bob, we love him, don't we?
We do.
And his flames. How many rides do you reckon we're going to do then?
Ooh,
32.
32, yeah.
I'm 32. Get my age away there on the internet, but yeah, I'm 32. So we do 32 rides?
At least.
At least 16 each.
Yes.
That's count. We can do it, Ev. Come on, high five.
Woo!
Woo! Power of Bob.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liv and Dave. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
What was that now?
It was just a little surprise. It was for both of you, but you weren't together.
I know.
So, but that's fine.
Yeah, but they've got some stuff over there then, some presents.
Yes, some donuts and some cakes for everybody.
See what we've got. Oh wow, so what did you do for us then?
Donuts and cake.
Oh, thank you so much. We got loads of cakes to keep us going around this, haven't we?
Yes.
Loads of donuts, all the cakes, all the bobs. Thank you, Ev. You're the best. Oh, we're getting in for our first ride, Ev.
Oh, yay!
Yay! Got all the cakes there for everyone.
Yeah.
Oh, you excited, Ev?
Very excited.
Right, 32 rides. You ready for it?
Oh, come on then.
Let's go. So we've got the bag of doggle here, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's going to be an They don't take bottles or cakes.
No, they usually don't.
So-
They will do today.
Hopefully, well, we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't need them. They're for the birthday girl, aka me.
Oh, that's nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's on a roll.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Oh, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Oh, what one do I have?
1.
Bracelet.
Number
Number 1. I can't see. Oh, we'll find it in a minute. Oh, pre-show, Ev.
1. Yay.
Didn't expect this, did you?
No, I did not.
And we're in the pre-show.
The full experience.
Oh, this is what it's like at the end of the year, isn't it, to be honest, or the start of the year. Kind of get a pre-show like this, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, are you ready, Ab? Are you excited?
Very.
Wickerman ERT. It's going to be amazing, isn't it? We've done a Nemesis ERT. We've done an ERT on Sick at Flamingo Land. Done an ERT on something, Grand Prix or something at Gulliver's.
Yeah.
So we've done a few of them, but this is a special one, isn't it? Are we ready? He's here.
We are beyond. For hundreds of years, our family has lived in these woods, led by the spirit of the Wicker Man. The elders told us of a day when he would rise to give us freedom and eternal well-being. But to start that ritual, we must present him with a gift. And that gift is you. You and the flame. It is time. He is here. What an honor to see yourself burned in oil, encased in his soul, and you see yourself in heaven. The time has come for the Wickerman to rise. Together we shall feed
are you going?
Row 1.
Oh. So, birthday boy, birthday girl, they're going on front row for the first ride. Have fun.
Well, we've just come off our first ride, haven't we?
Don't usually get comfy
And
here.
yeah, straight back round and we're going back on. Oh. We might get a choice.
We
of
might
what we want,
do.
actually. Next. Did you enjoy your first ride?
Yeah, it was very good.
It's something else, isn't it, this?
Yeah.
With the park being closed and stuff. Look at this, empty station. Staff are smashing it, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they really are.
Credit where it's due there. And well, where are we going to sit, Sav? Where do you want to go?
Oh, should we do a back row?
I think we shall, shan't we?
Please exit to your left.
There is no escape to the right.
Thanks for your participation in our ritual.
What are you going on, Ev? Ride 3 done.
completed. Yeah, this will be ride number 4.
We've done a front, middle, and a back.
Yes.
We had to run round to the middle one because
Yeah.
our empty train. We got on the next one that was in the station.
We did, didn't
So
we?
quick we did it.
Perfect.
Pretty much like this, to be fair, isn't it?
Should we go back there again?
Sure, why not?
Why not?
Oh, well, straight on. Ride 4 complete, Ev.
Yes, this will be ride number 5.
Ride number 5.
Doing pretty well, aren't we?
Yeah, smashing it round. Look how
It's so
tight it is.
nice not having to go all the way around. as
Well, we're on 11 seconds into this clip, and we're here.
Perfect.
Where are we going to go, Ev?
Should we go for the one?
Is there a front space?
No one there.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. You're right. Row. Numero uno. Let's go. We just found out it's gone to penalties of England. Oh, we can't see. Thank you, Mark Lenz now.
Yes, definitely. But
There's
come on,
informed.
England!
Come on, England! Come on, England! Come on, England!
Oh, that was brilliant.
That was one of the best rider Wickerman we've ever had, hasn't it? Literally, it's flying around, and it's coming home, Ev. All the way. And we're on. Let's. Trent takes his penalty, he scores with through.
Oh!
I don't know how we're going to find out though. Oh, are we going through? Can we do it? We'll find out very soon. Come on, England. Done it! He's done it! Come on! It's coming home! It's coming home, man! Woo! Trent, man, he's done it! He's done it, man! Whoa. Before you see any more, we've got to let you know this next clip was filmed in a controlled environment with permission from Alton Towers.
Yeah.
Do not film on ride.
No,
Don't do it.
Don't attempt
Don't
to
do
get
it.
your phone out. No, you can't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't even think about it. Right, back to the vlog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Got a lovely view of the rapids, yeah. That's nice. Heads there, it's a lovely view, yeah.
How come we have that?
Yeah, that's just cool. Let's go. Woo! Let's go! Blowing right over your back. Good ride? Cracking ride.
Wow, I don't even know how many rides we're on so far.
I've
About
lost
9,
count.
10, something like that.
Yeah,
We're literally,
something
by the time we started this clip, we're coming back into the station now. Like, to say if this is worth it, then yes, every single penny, by far. Thanks for your participation in our ritual. So I'm getting good at that Scottish accent now. I've been shouting footballs coming over for the last hour. My voice is gone.
Heed is the only one I'm good at.
Yeah, I can't take heed. And the jaws on feet. I can't do it.
There is no escape. I'm not even going to
There's no escape to the race.
Thanks for your
Participation
participation.
in our ritual. We apologise to all the Scottish people out there
Yeah.
in advance. Where are we going? Back row?
No,
Just going to go on. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Where would you like to go?
Shall we go 6? 6. And you're on. Could be our last ride this, Ev. We can try and get a special one.
Oh, yes, try.
That'll do. Oh. Let's go quick, Ev. Yeah. We want a front row, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
To end our day, we'll have a front row. Last ride out.
Come on.
Maybe, it depends how quick we get round it.
No, it's 57.
So it takes 43 seconds to get round on Wickerman.
Oh, yes, that is very true.
We know that, don't we?
Yes.
I think it's 43 seconds.
46 seconds?
Something like that, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
Goes about... No, because it goes about 43 miles an hour, doesn't it? I don't know, but we're going on, Ev.
Yes.
Maybe last.
Are we the only one?
Don't know, but let's get on. Well, Ev, we've just had Wickerman
To ourselves.
to ourselves.
The whole train.
The whole train.
Visitors, we are opening
That is crazy. Thank you again, guys. Thank you. Wow.
Absolutely.
All to ourselves. Front row ride of Wickerman on our own. Can you even believe that's just happened?
No, I can't. That's crazy.
I've got no voice left. I've been cheering
No,
England
nor
all
me.
the way round.
Definitely won't have a voice tomorrow.
No, it's going to be a sore one, isn't it?
Yes.
But wow, it's done. ERT of Wickerman. What did you think?
Absolutely fantastic. The staff were on point. Yeah, I can't fault any of it.
I can't. Absolutely amazing. Big Bob's just firing behind you there. Wow. As you said, staff, absolutely fantastic. Thank you to each and every single one of you there for staying after your shift and stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank
and
you.
a massive thank you to Lee and Fox Digital for helping us with this opportunity. So, thank you.
Wow, we didn't actually know. Our photos have been coming up each and every single time.
Yeah,
here,
that's so
Andy.
good, isn't it?
Yeah, so there's going to be some interesting ones there, isn't there?
Yeah,
There is
definitely.
really interesting. But we had a really nice one on the end there, didn't we, for our front row
Yeah, it
ride?
was so nice.
See if we can show you that, guys, because that was fantastic, honestly. Never done anything like that. Well, we've done an ERT, and we've even done it on Nemesis, but I mean, we had it. Look, this is our group, and this. Well, regardless, we had Wickerman, me and you,
To ourselves.
Wow, fantastic. Well, and look, the shop's open as well. It's crazy, isn't it? Oh, you do like this, don't you?
I do like this. It's so pretty. I like the
Yeah.
stars. I want to see the little one there.
I know we want to see the little one, but
This one is
this was open.
So I haven't done it. So just so we can have a quick look at it. But you saw that camera.
Yeah, you saw that camera. Oh wow.
I will put it all back in properly. I promise.
That's madness, that is, though, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh, and just
Look
leave
at
one on
that.
display so like people want to see what they can buy, don't
Yeah,
they?
definitely. You need one like
Just there, like that. Oh wow, that's
But I will
fantastic.
put
Yeah,
it
but we know
back.
we will clean up after ourselves, don't we, Have?
Yes, definitely.
Always do our bit, our part.
We definitely do. And I would never open it if it wasn't already
No,
open.
we
of
wouldn't
course.
rip it, would we?
No.
We wouldn't do anything like
I
that.
didn't open it. Sorry. I actually didn't. You can check the vlog footage.
Been interrogated.
Yes. But no, I really like that. Very good.
No, that's amazing, isn't it? Oh, That's an impressive structure, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. This is when we should have done our shop tour. It's dead.
I know, yeah. Oh, wow, I never noticed that on the back. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've been summoned, Hev,
Yes.
for a photographer.
Photograph?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that is so weird.
Scary. I don't know if you call that, guys, but it's literally as I press record then, the music
Stopped.
ceased. Denied.
Oh, I feel like I'm like shouting now.
Yeah, no, so I've been shouting for the last hour, and
Yeah, I have as well.
England have won. We've had countless rides on that. As a guess, I'd say about 11 or 12. As a guess,
Yeah,
generally.
I have no idea. I lost count.
I got about 7 or 8, so I was counting 2, and then we just didn't care, did we? By the time we were starting the clips, we were on the next ride.
Yeah, we were.
That's how quick we were doing it. About 8 seconds you can get around in, guys. It's an average there. But here we are, Wickerman. Let's have. We've done it. Wickerman complete. Thank you. Well, Wickerman ERT complete.
Yes, absolutely fantastic.
And we're just sitting in the test seat here, so having a nice little rest, aren't we?
Yes, I thought it was very fitting.
It was to end the vlog here. We just want to say a massive thank you to Lee and Foxtrot Stuff for sorting this out for us. It was absolutely amazing. The group have loved it.
Yeah, they have. Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant.
And I've had the best birthday presents ever.
Aww.
Wickerman. We had the train to ourselves.
Yeah, that was fantastic.
It's just going around now, Bobbies. Absolutely amazing. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Have you enjoyed your time, Ev?
I have, thank you.
It's been amazing. But if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. Plenty more coming soon. Whoop, whoop. It's in a limbo, Ev.
Don't be stupid.
I've got to attempt it now. Oh, I'm sorry, lads.